Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. In today's vlog, this is Tanya from the future. I completely forgot to make an intro to my Thanksgiving vlog and I'm inserting it now. So in this vlog, it's basically my family coming into town. I'm picking up my brother, just having a festive time with you guys for Thanksgiving holidays. This video should be up by November 29th, that's Sunday. If this is your first time here, I want to say welcome. Again, my name is Tanya. I hope that you consider subscribing if you like all things home decor, lifestyle vlogging, as well as fashion. And I hope that you hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time that I upload a video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video.
They call me the Dog Father, King of the West Coast, and I was born to defy society. Glasses up! Let's make a toast to success and nothing less. Yes, sir.
Today is Tuesday. And it is it's Tuesday 24th. I am at Best Buy for curbside assistance. Well, curbside pickup. I ordered a laptop offline last night because I'm so tired of my Mac computer just being so slow, and it literally took my video today to download to YouTube, to upload to YouTube. It took like 4 hours, which was crazy because it was only like 11-minute video. And I'm rambling, but anyways, it's kind of late. This vlog did start late. So that's all I'm doing. That's all I did today anyways so far. Actually, I washed and blow dried this hair. I have micro links in there. I don't know if I told y'all this before, but they needed to be washed. Am I blurry? Y'all can't see. And so when it's blurred like that, I don't know if it's just my eyes or the camera, but I need to get some glasses. I was supposed to go get my nails done today, but it's so late. It's not really even late. It just feels late. It's like 5:30. I might be able to still do my nails tonight. Let me call them.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh, I saw it. You're good.
Thank you. Who is sick? I'm sick of hair. I'm so sick of hair right now. I'm so sick of doing my hair, like for real. I have the micro links in here, like I said earlier in the vlog, and this is a disaster. I lost 2 of them today. And I was combing it back, and my hair was in it, so I don't think it was all my hair, but we can't be doing that. So today is Wednesday. It's the day before Thanksgiving. I'm hosting here at my house. My siblings are coming over, some of them, and I already have one here, so I'm responsible for cooking everything. So I'm gonna go to the store, pick up everything that I need to cook with, and all these lashes, y'all. So what else do I have for y'all? We're gonna make it fun because my people are fun. Hopefully I'll be able to capture some footage of my siblings and the festivities tonight. All right, let me go ahead and run to the grocery store so I can come back, unpack all that stuff. All right, let's get this day started. See y'all in the next clip. Okay, I just want to show y'all what I had on before I leave out. So I just got one BB clutch kind of crossover purse, a white cream cardigan that I got from H&M, also an oversized sweatshirt that I got from H&M, and I got some boots on. I think they're Guess. Yes, just some knee-high Guess boots. So all right, let's go and head out. So just got back from the grocery store, and these are some of the items that we picked up. I'm gonna go over what these things are. So we got 4 mini cases of soda, pack of ground meat. Now this is pickles, some mixed green, mustard greens, and I'm cooking collard greens. So I told him to grab him a can of those. When I do my rice dressing, I usually mix both jambalaya with the dirty rice, Savoy's dressing mix. And this is for cornbread dressing, candy yam, brown sugar, onions, elbow shells, green beans. Y'all love these green beans. Shrimp, stash. Mix garlic. We're gonna inject it with the Zatarain's crab oil, injectable Creole style butter, evaporated milk, collard greens, celery in here, some peanut oil. So that's all I got for this one. I need to go right back to the store to pick up the stuff for this. We're gonna do a charcuterie board. So y'all, let me show y'all my little things that I picked up from Home Goods the other day. So let me show y'all what I got here. So I picked these up from Home Goods the other day, and it matches this charcuterie board. It's actually the same company. So we're gonna use these two little trays and this board to make a charcuterie board. So y'all, I just was waiting for my husband to come back from the corner store and decided to start a project. And look at this. I'm taking this painting. I took this painting down because it was one, too high on the wall. Two, I need to mount the light that is gonna go above the picture. So yeah, I just started that project. I'm all in, I'm committed right now. So that's what I'm about to do. It shouldn't take nothing but about maybe 10 minutes. Let me get started on that. So this is the light that I'm gonna be hanging up. So. But happy Thanksgiving, everybody. It's 3:31 and we haven't started nothing.
Yeah, boiling water.
We're boiling water.
$300 piece.
Wait,
And
what?
then I walked in the store and bought cheese for $200. Cheese and fruit. That you can beef, bread, and eggs.
Yeah.
And we just had cheese and grapes.
I'll tell you what though.
We got other stuff in the basket.
Okra? No. We didn't have no pizza back then.
Does it look impressive though?
If I was
You don't even know.
presenting this to a function, it would be $1,000.
Okay,
You know, double what you-
I'm agree with you if you can name me what is this fruit.
What is
If you can name that fruit, I will let you go with your
Name that
$500.
fruit.
Yo, this is a grape right
I don't know.
We
Come
know
on,
that that's
damn
a
grape.
grape.
That's your $500 right there.
And this-
This is what makes it $1,000. If you can name that fruit, I'll give it. It's $500.
You don't know what that is?
I know what it is, but I just can't cut off top of it.
Hey,
Look,
cut it out.
why are you instigating?
Cut it out, bro. Hey.
You named it.
A dragon fruit.
Oh